Welcome back. This week I got a few pictures to share with you from the banquet. I didn't videotape as I'd done in the past, but what I did videotape is the senior signing that took place, so I've got some footage there to share with you. We also had a car come in where the front left wheel had come off, so we replaced the wheel bearing and hub assemblies as well as the lower control arms, and there's more body work done on the 48 Chevy SEMA build. We also got our Super Bee running fantastic. Everything is working properly on it, but it's got a small exhaust leak that we need to take care of before we send it back to the customer, and we'll share with you what we do with that next week. Thanks for tuning in. Here's some of my soon-to-be Auto 3s cleaning potatoes for the banquet. Here's School Superintendent Dr. McDade posing with last year's National Third Place Engine Building Team. And here's my CTE Educator of the Year plaque that was presented to me by Dr. McDade and Mr. Doug Wright. It was a bit of a surprise for me, to say the least. I had a picture of them presenting it to me, but that picture, for whatever reason, would not load. And here's a picture of the after party, at least the people that were remaining there near the end. Some people had already left. I really enjoy the after party. There's a lot of people I don't get to see very often that do come to this, and some of these people I actually still see every week. This car was towed to us after the left front wheel had fallen off due to improper torquing. You can even see where the wheel had been riding against the studs and worn them out before it had come off. The customer has bought both front wheel bearings, which includes the flanges and hubs that will go into the steering knuckle, as well as both lower control arms. So we're going to get busy putting all this back together. With the wheels out of the way, the students are separating the control arm from the spindle. Next, they remove the bolts securing the control arm to the cradle. Next, the brake brackets are removed as well as the rotor. Now the bolts holding the bearing and hub assembly in place can be removed. The old ones get knocked out, and the new ones get put into place. Now the brake calipers and brackets can be reinstalled. Along with the new lower control arms.
Put this in the back.
Recently, there was a signing for seniors going into their chosen technical career path. Hilton Automotive had 8 students represented from 4 dealers. Here's a bit of that event.
Out there, Hilton Automotive is with the Health and Plus team, Toyota, and a gentleman you'll meet in just a little bit. The first YRA, who registered apprentices was, that led us to become the intermediary for the state. And as you heard, I think we're about the first one. Yeah, so good stuff. So, to all the students out there, thank you, bright futures, and we're going to start with getting you up here and celebrate. Thank you for your time. Thank you.
First official year, we've been able to partner with Eddie Stevens and high school. We were able to hire 5 students this year, and 2 of them will be like Christopher Glover, and we're actually going to do a long partnership with this year.
Congratulations, Chris and Wilbur.
Good evening, everybody. Just want to say a couple things. I got into automotive business in 1999. I wish I had opportunities like these gentlemen have in front of me. I hope that all of you, everybody here, go back and tell your friends how important this is. Be proud of what you're doing. Not everybody has to go to college. What you're doing, making this decision and getting into the workforce, it's huge. It's respectable. It's a great thing. So I commend all of you. Great job. I've got 2 guys here tonight. I hope to have 20 here next year. Thank you.
Thank you for having us here this evening. It's great to hear all these success stories. As we saw earlier, our All-Stars were in some of the videos here. I am the community outreach coordinator for the dealership, and I do get to have the opportunity to work with a lot of schools, but I must say, working with the CTE program, especially Ed Stevens, seeing all the success stories of all those other dealerships. Wish we could have everybody at our dealership, but it's great seeing what you do and seeing the success stories. This past year, we've had two great students working at one of our stores, the Toyota store. We had Webby, we had Gerson at our Dodge store. And I'm not in the service department, but the feedback I get from their managers has been nothing but outstanding. The leaders already in the service department are carrying through the work ethic that they learned in the classroom. And through their work ethic and everything they've done, we were looking to expand our program with the CTE and youth registered education program. And I just can't wait to see what more they're going to do. Great work ethic already, and hard workers, and I'm excited to see what they bring to the future. So, thank you, everybody. Congratulations.
My name is Bobby Jones. I'm representing Horseman Ford. I graduated from Hilton with Mr. Stevens in '99. We have 4 of us from Hilton, with Eric and Lisa. Hopefully we get some more. Thank you.
Here he's grinding some of the heads off of the rusted screws to remove the inner sill plate.
We're sandblasting this area before welding in a patch.
For rotating the body, it's to sandblast the underside of the repairs. We're going to replace 2 of these floor braces. Next time on Bulldog Builds, we'll have that exhaust leak taken care of on our Dodge Super Bee project. We'll get some panels welded in to our SEMA build, and we're going to be getting Eric ready for the Nationals for his motorcycle technology competition. See you next week.